Hello everyone, my name is Alex, and in this video I want to share my experience of obtaining Chinese driving license, plus how to do if you got in a traffic accident, and just some tips about driving in China. China has already realized the mutual recognition and replacement of driving licenses with Belgium, UAE, France and Serbia. For others and international driving license holders, a Chinese driving license is still required. So today I arrived to the place where this whole process actually happens. Traffic police office in Pidu district. Let's see how the process looks like. When it comes to application for the driving license, you need to prepare materials. First of all, it's your identity materials like your passport, your visa, and I think the household registration, the thing that you get from police station. Without this thing you cannot apply for driving license. Second, do the health check. For the physical examination, the hospital, there is an app actually that's called 12123, and it has all the services like this place. You see here, you can see which hospitals are offering the health check around you. If you have driving license already, you must translate it in a notary and bring the translation here. And also you need two 1-inch photos with white background, like standard document photos. After all the materials are prepared, you can come here to this place and do the application. Staff will contact you and tell you that you can go for exam. The theory exam, there is no driving exam if you already have driving license, just a theory one, and it consists of mostly of the questions about the laws. Pretty standard, I think. Probably should do the test in English. The translation is good, you can really understand what's going on, but not always. It's better to review questions beforehand. There are many apps on WeChat, for example, like mini programs, one called like Laowai Driving. And to pass the exam, you need to answer correctly at least 90. One very special thing about materials when you are applying for the Chinese driving license is that on the system of traffic police, they can't give you Latin name. The driving license, they will have Chinese name. So you'd better think about it ahead, in advance, and this information will go into your driving license. The place I'm here now is the main waiting hall. If you want to get any services, you have to get a ticket with a number and then it will appear on that screen. Called, you can go to one of the windows. Decided to ask someone because they have consultation service here and even they have bilingual service. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Yeah, I wanted to ask some questions about the application process for foreigners.
First, you should enroll in a driving school to prepare the materials about your original passport, living permit from the police station, and your identification photos. And then the driving school staff will register with your materials. Finish your study, then you can take your test. There are 4 subjects. There is a warm step for you. Make sure that after your test, you should sign. Otherwise, your test result will be invalid.
I hope at this point the application process became very clear. There is one more important thing that we should talk about after you got the driving license. You should know how to deal with traffic accidents, and for that let's go back to my studio. How to deal with a traffic accident when driving in China. It is recommended to take photos first of what happened, and second, call 110, which is police. And also, if you can, call the insurance company. If there are injuries, you must call 120, which is ambulance. Then wait for the Traffic Administration Bureau of Public Security organ to handle it. The proper official way goes this way. First, a damage assessment. After drivers are identified and the damage is identified, insurance company staff will assess the damage and notify the vehicle owners on specific damage and what's the assessment amount. Second, you have to confirm a car repair plan. Number 3, apply for claim settlement. After the car has been repaired, the vehicle owner needs to bring a repair list to apply to the insurance company for claim settlement. In case involving injury or death, Materials such as medical bills and hospital admission records should be provided too. Then goes claim compensation. If the vehicle owner has authorized the insurance company to lease directly with the auto repair shop, he or she just needs to wait for the vehicle to be repaired and retrieve it from the repair shop. Besides, compensation will also be deposited directly into the registered account by the insurance company. What you should think about as a foreigner if you are in a traffic accident. First, of course, language is important. Try to communicate as good as you can, and I think in the stage of legal processes and communication with public security organs, there will be interpretation services provided for foreigners who's incapable of speaking Chinese. And also, according to the local law, please note this, people who were involved in following kind of road traffic accidents are not allowed to leave China. First, if the traffic accident involves a crime. Second, if there are unresolved claims related to the road traffic accident. Person who involved in this accident are not allowed to leave China by the court, so you have to resolve it as soon as you can. And that's all from my experience. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments, or maybe you have your own suggestions and share your own experience. That will be really helpful for people who watch this video. It was Alex Tchaikovsky. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to Panda Guide. Until next time, goodbye.